If you're searching for the latest Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review, this video will help you secure one of the best web hosting deals available right now. To get this offer, just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, and you'll receive an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months automatically at checkout. Here's what makes this deal stand out. Most links online usually offer around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% extra discount along with 3 extra months, making it one of the best Hostinger deals available today. If the price isn't showing correctly for your country, just click the flag icon at the top right corner and select your location to update it instantly. In this Hostinger review, you get fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for better optimization. The Hostinger website builder helps you build a professional site quickly, even without technical experience. With these features, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms for beginners and growing websites. And every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without risk. The extra 20% discount combined with 3 additional months helps reduce the total cost significantly. So if you're planning to start your website, just click the link below or scan the QR code to activate this deal instantly. And as your website grows, Hostinger provides advanced tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N. To secure the full savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.